Good morning. I'm going to London today. Look, it's Heinzie, Sarah Berra. It's 6 degrees out. Let's go to London.
So you got your phone?
I've got my phone.
In my bag.
I put the charger in your bag. I got everything. London today to go see the Fam Bam. It's 6 o'clock. We should have left at 5:30. We're quite late. It's cold. I got my bag packed. I got everything ready. Just got to get out of here. It's cold. Alright, let's go.
Hey, hey.
Hey.
Where are you going?
To London. So we just cannonballed it from Heinzie's to Landvetter.
Yeah.
We flew through Gothenburg. Gothenburg had no traffic, had nothing, so it was really easy and good to get
We're
through.
really early because we expected to hit traffic.
Yeah, we expected to hit a lot of traffic. It's Monday in Gothenburg, in Sweden. It's meant to be busy.
Because it's a public holiday this week, I think a lot of people have taken the day off.
Yeah, you're right. So it's probably a sleepy town again.
Yeah.
But it's good because our
We're
benefit.
almost at the airport.
We're almost at the airport. And we were gonna get some coffee.
Take the interchange on the right.
Gonna get some coffee and gonna get some breakfast. I'm hungry.
Alright. Bye till now. For now. All good.
What happened?
I put on till 7:50 because you're gonna be on the plane by
I'll
8:25.
be well on the plane by then, yeah.
No, you, yeah. Anyway.
I love you. Let's get coffee.
Yes, let's get a coffee. Do you want your last
And kisses.
strawberry soup?
Nay. Take.
You don't want it?
Okay, so we're still at Landvetter
Yes.
and we're still waiting to get in the airport. It's 7:18. Let's try and look at the clock in the distance.
Yeah.
It's
you
7:18.
should probably go through the gate in 10 minutes or so.
I'm gonna go through the gate.
security
Yeah.
check to the gate.
And then I'm gonna go to London. I'm gonna leave little bear behind.
Got you some pounds.
She got me some pounds. I got a lot of pounds actually. I'm gonna go nuts. Gonna just throw money in the air.
No, you're not. Where did you put it? Safe?
Yes, very safe. Some kid wanted to hold on to it for me, so I gave it to him and he ran away.
Yeah.
So he's obviously hiding it in a really safe location for me. So yeah, just chilling here for another 10 minutes until I cross the border.
Yeah, got a security
Oh,
check.
I hate security checks.
That's alright. You only have hand baggage. It's
Yeah, and what they're gonna say is, oh, you cannot take all this on the plane.
Oops.
But yeah, so coming to see Kim and Dad and Mum and the children and Quaggy, and yeah, it's gonna be good.
You're gonna have a good time.
I'm not gonna sleep well tonight though, I'll tell you that.
That's alright.
No little bear behind me.
That's alright. You'll be fine.
I'll see you soon. Hey, Doc. Alright, through security. Just left little bear. Very sad. Wasn't happy with that. That wasn't fun. So, through security, onwards now to go to the gate. Gate 11, I think. I will triple check again, but I'll find it. Little bear's messaging me already, telling me she missed me. It's only been like 30 seconds. Oh well. Alright, I'll find her. Hey, Doc. Hi, to London. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Welcome to London, or England. It's loud. It's too loud. It hurts. Oh, now you fucking turn them on. Yeah, that was really loud. Didn't like that at all. Okay, so the plan is today is to get to London, see the change of the guards, Dad and Kim and everyone, but I just got to get there. I'm going to passport control now, so hopefully I'm in the right area, but see what happens. I gotta ride all that thing down again. Oh god, it's painful. But I'll figure it out. Hey door. Alright, I just made it on the train, thanks to a really nice guy. So it was really confusing finding all the platforms too. It was really bad. They're not labelled smart at all. So I'm on the express train south, Victoria, London. So yeah, see you soon. Oh, it is cold. Right. I just got off London Victoria. I gotta find where my next connection is to get to Kim and Dad. I called in the train, I couldn't hear them properly. Kim I can never hear. And then I'm out. So I'm excited. Here we go. Whee! Okay, supposedly there's 2 stops. It's here. Gotta go.
Train on the platform is a westbound District Line service. All stations to Union Hall. The North Street stand here.
Okay, I'm in.
I'm gonna sit there.
I hope I go in the right direction. I'm gonna say yes. I am. Alright, I'm here across the road. Close to the house. Very close. I got everything. I just gotta get there now. Ugh. Getting tired. Been on the move since this morning. And yeah, I'll be here in a sec. Gotta get through those things. I go that way and I turn left. I think. So, I'm here. I'm here. It's actually surprisingly warm. I thought it'd be freaking freezing. But it's colder in Sweden. So it's not too bad. Smoky and hazy though. So yeah. Not bad at all. I definitely... Kim says it's dodgy. I don't see how it's that dodgy. It's got a big British flag. Can't be that dodgy, can it? Oh. We'll find out. Alright, 6-minute walk. Let go.